So we're pretty well party packed into our house, and we're so happy to do that. So thank you all so much for coming. It's a wonderful Mardi Gras season, and we couldn't be happier to have our great friends as royalty, dukes, maids, and everyone here to come and enjoy and have a wonderful Mardi Gras season. Everyone have a safe and happy time. This year's captain, Mr. Greg Hamer, I think is going to introduce our royalty.
Yes, sir.
And maybe our maids and dukes.
So it just occurred to me, I thought of it on my own, nobody told me. That no one has said the phrase yet. Oh, here we go. Hephaestus is the bestest! Now, thank you to everybody. Thank y'all for being here. Thank you, Joe and Gina, for letting us invade your home, including your upstairs today. Great upstairs, by the way. Go ahead. That's the show. And I forgot to thank my wife the last 2 times. So thank you. Now I'm even. We're all good. And thank you to my big sister Valerie. Thank you so much. Without you. And beautiful Mads, Queen Hover, Madeline Hover, King Mr. Al Adams. Toast to 6-0 Hephaestus crew. Yeah. With that,
up to this point, I kind of stuck with the theme of family, and it hasn't changed. You guys are all what makes Hephaestus what it is today. But I do owe a lot of thanks to a lot of people. Way predating most of you guys, Ms. Denise Bostic approached me to get involved many years ago. And it was something that I still treasure today, that I have that as part of my resume, I guess, to have earned this honor of being here tonight. But Hephaestus is truly a special part of this community. We are blessed to be part of it. You know, for those of us that are still here and trying to make this community what the best it can be, Hephaestus is a big part of that. And that said, with everybody's continued support and efforts and the commitment that I see behind the crew, we're starting a great 7th decade together. So here's to Hephaestus and 70 years plus. Yeah. That said, it's time for me to thank a few people, because without them, you know, I wouldn't. That was my grandson. But you know, I wouldn't be up here if it wasn't for quite a few people. But first of all, Shell Bell talked me into doing this. So, but she was right. It was something we need to do for this community, to support this community and be part of the cultural part of what we do offer here. And I think those of you that I visited with that aren't from here are quite enjoying yourselves. So hopefully you're going to leave a little bit of your heart here, and you're going to remember Hephaestus fondly in your memory. So hail Hephaestus for you guys. Yeah. But I have to, you know, particularly thank Val and Drake for approaching me and talking me through it and deciding this was the right thing to do, and I have absolutely no regrets. This is the biggest lot of fun that I've had in a whole lot of time, and it's all because of all of you celebrating this with you guys, and I appreciate you guys for that. So thank you for allowing me to have this honor. Thank you so much.
King 60.
King 60. Even though I can't see my beautiful queen.
Don't think. She's got more to live for. She's not
going for it.
Watch out. Yeah, I'm coming down.
I'm a little nervous.
But I've been blessed to be able to share this experience with one of our somewhat family members that we all have become to be. One of Grandma Edie's. Ruth?
Madeline, he's talking to you.
Yeah.
I'm so scared.
He's trying to see you, but you see you.
To be with Madeline, share this experience. because John B. and Tracy have been such wonderful friends of ours for so long. To share this experience with someone that's so close, I've been truly blessed. So here's to Madeline. But I can't forget